Hello po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is, ano nga naman, July 4. Punta tayo ng Philippine Embassy. Pagpapas ng requirements si Mamang para sa dual citizenship. Sinaya lang dapat kasama. Sabi ni Daddy, di mamalamig.
Sabi ko,
Mahangin. Summer pa. Hindi man. Oops. Oh, yan nga man. Maap. Susi. Marimula. Papasya ng mga, for dual citizenship. Noon pa yun eh. Kulang lang siya ng marriage contract.
Pogi. Ano po?
From PSA. Let's see. Yan ang di napadala. Mahal. Isang document na nga ng almost 3,000 na ma.
Hindi 5,000.
5,000.
That is more than $100.
Normal ma. Remember yung ano mo? Yung PR card mo
PR
before?
card ko nung pinadala ni Ludo, that is 130. Oh, what? Yeah, pa yan, 20.
Head north on Weyburn Street toward Coronation Avenue.
It's the
then
same.
turn left onto Coronation
Pinadala sa
Avenue.
UPS.
Turn left onto Coronation Avenue.
Tapos yun. Iniscan ni na ate sa Pilipinas.
In 800 meters, turn
Pinrint
right onto
namin dito.
Neighborhood
Tingnan
Way.
natin kung
Papasa.
bakit ikaw sigurado na ito kailangan ng original? Ito sinabi kaya ka, ma'am?
Aliwan.
they didn't say.
What ding aliwang papeles kung kaya, basta atin niya mo itang PSA na aking babo. Eh mo naman nanong lagyo. Pay kitang kaya, stamp ng PSA. Yung kulay lang kung kaya. Yung mo aping kita.
Malapit na kami.
At the light, turn left onto
5
Daly
minutes
Avenue.
na lang. Upsi. Tayo sa downtown.
Pinakaya ko.
Pinakaayaw, pinupuntahan ni Daddy. Maraming sasakyan. Ma-traffic lights. Mahirap mag-park.
Naya.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms.
It's dark?
It's so dark.
At the
Yeah,
light,
we
turn
are
right
in
onto
the tunnel.
Conway Drive, Ottawa
There.
Road 93.
It's a
Pineapple blossoms. Go on pizza.
Sarado na rin kaya yung ano dito?
They just don't
The bay.
belong. When I walk into the kitchen,
muna tayo sa loob. Bawal mag-camera, no, de?
Ano no? Dapat sa yan.
Mag-doorbell ka. Gusto ni Naya itong blanket. Sharing is caring. Malamig kasi. Kay Janaya. You want to get off there? You want to get off there? Wala. Bilis lang. May appointment. Wala masyadong tao. Tapos na.
Sa ating no ating kang appointment. Ha? Oy, tama yung kasanting no ating kang appointment kasi akit ng tambing ka rin, neda.
Aling kakayang ko naman. Kaya nga naman, kanagguling yung tarbal na rin between appointment. Di mo kanya.
Wapen.
Tao.
Dinrap.
Pagbigyan mo.
Wapen, dinrap.
Tutuya ita. No, my love.
No, don't do that. Sabi ko sa'yo,
No, you can.
no throwing. Right?
You can hit
No
that.
throwing. You can...
Gawin mo yun, marambla.
Tag, Naya. Tag. Ah, tag.
Mas na yan, ma.
Woohoo! 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 Tag. Wah! 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 Tinanggap yun, no, ma?
Basta atin niya sa
Hindi kasi original yung binigay. Galing, galing, galing.
At saka yung man original yung ibigay mo ko. Photocopy yan. Talaga. Ibigay mo waring original.
Wala ka nga lang PSA na ano. No?
Let's go, Naya.
Oh, let's go, anak.
Go na. Go in the car.
Careful.
Ay, yung bag na ko.
Yung bag.
Ayun na kita. Pang backpack.
Yeah, yan, no?
Kung oras mo binayad ko yung park.
Pahama.
Magkano yung isang oras?
$4.
Yung 30 minutes?
$2.
Ah, $2.
Talaga segundo. Ilang minuto mo?
5 minutes.
Nung oras na?
10:06.
Oo nga.
Head northeast on Murray Street, Ottawa Regional Road 44 toward Parent
Yun.
Avenue.
Uwi na tayo.
Bilis na yung Honda isa. Hindi ka niya susulpot kayong gulot ko.
Saan ka dadaan? Didiretso ka na lang? Diretso ka na lang?
Diretso naman talaga. Saan ka pwede mag-U-turn?
Ah, okay.
Kaya ba't
One way lang yan?
Kaya ba't lumal na king banye?
In 200 meters, turn right onto Dalhousie Street.
Dumalan na ka rin king banye.
Naya. Is it hot, Naya?
I know.
You sleepy? Are you sleepy?
Oh, karanon na. Kalwa. Linwal ko mong masakit ko at yan. Sakto ko may lukluk. Daramdaman ko na yung yabag na. Ubak doon. Babalik ako. May nga gaya. Mintani king kaya. Suka. Sige na.
At the light, turn right onto
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Later is na.
Ah, Ottawa yun pala to eh. libraries.
I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sense something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends
Sabi na sa
anymore.
bahay.
Saan pupunta yung
Pizza, it's a food
Sa tayo ng highway.
know that pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Hindi ako nag-video sa loob ng embassy. Baka bawal na rin. No, maraming camera eh.
Yan eh.
Baka bawalan ako. Tsaka di tayo nagpaalam na magbibideo. Tsaka bawal talaga eh. Government siya eh. Government office, bawal mag-video. You need to, ask permission. Sa bahay na kami. Ma, cellphone mo ma.
Ang sikat talaga.
Bakit?
Menuyat niya. Menuyat.
Na?
Menuyat niya. Ano pa ang tingnan?
Mm.
Sa ako menuyat niya.
Mm.
Yung pala riyan yung menuyat. Pero ano pa mga tayo.
Oh.
What's your finger? Yeah, what's your finger?
Very good job. She knows how to close the door. Hold your blanket.
Inasulod na din lumal ko. Nasulod na itang kaya. Sapatos na ng pangpark eh.
Kala ko malaki pa yung damit na yan.
Maliwalas yung Give me your towel. I hold it.
Wala talaga ang damit ni Janaya de. 5T na talaga.
Don't do like that so your shoes will not get dirty. Come, let's go out.
Let's go.
We go out.
Daddy needs to work, okay? Daddy will go to work. Oh. Say hi. Hi. How to go inside? Mamang, don't open it. How to go inside? How to go inside?
Okay.
That's how you go inside? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Get na tayo. Hard work? Is it hard work going up?
Yes, I hope
Is it hard work?
you can help me, Mom. You can help me.
Oh, careful. Careful. Careful.
I cannot catch you. I'm coming. I cannot catch you.
Jaden! Ano tang? You're still sleepy?
Shoes, my bad.
Remove your shoes na. Remove your shoes. You're sleepy, tang? Yeah, he's sleepy.
Finger.
Nangyayari yung 5 minuto. Tita ka. Hindi kanya yan.
Gabay daddy na, Naya. Kiss na daddy.
Oh. Napunas. 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 Apa? Bango?
Dadalan mo yan. May pumasok pa sa ano nyo. Mawala yan.
Hindi kayo lakar.
Nakalak ang locker. Pala ka.
Para?
Wah.
Mura yan mo.
Ay, grabe siya. Bye. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye. See you later.
So yes,
Love you.
we'll go to work, guys. Bye.
Bye. Sleep ka, okay? We will go to the park later.
Okay, then.
Okay?
See you later. Are you sad? Are you sad, my love? Don't go sad. It's okay. Oh, let's close the door. Don't be sad. Let's sleep and then Daddy will go home from work. Okay? Let's play for a while, okay? Gusto niya pumunta ng park. Yogurt. You just drink water. Look at your hair. Where are we going?
We're going shopping.
Shopping.
Let's go shopping, Mom.
Oh, shopping. Oh, ask Daddy.
That's that. Let's go shopping.
Daddy sleep.
Let's go shopping.
Daddy sleep.
Kaninang dumating. Nang oras ka din, Tangde? Nang oras ka dumating?
5:30.
5:30. Nag-park sila ni Naya. Ano na? It's 6:45. Punta kami ng Asian store. Sama namin si Jaden. Sama si Jaden. Hi ka daw, Jaden. Oh. Oh, hold my hand. No, there's a car. We're here na. Green Fresh Supermarket. Normally si Daddy lang pupunta dito. After mag-park ng Daddy, umuwi sa bahay. Para
I do want to try it too.
Sama-sama.
I want to try it too, Dad.
Ha?
I want to watch it.
she wants to sakay daw yung stroller.
Stroller? You don't need a stroller.
You don't need stroller because you're gonna shop.
I want to show you.
You don't have to. Mag-basket ka ta?
Dalawa isa na.
Hawa. Naya, we're here. Bakit niya pinasok? Pwede yan? Let's go, Naya, anak. Naya, huwag mong butasan, anak. O, tara. Over here kay Daddy. Let's go. Langka. Ang laki manggaw. Nandito kami ngayon sa sasakyan. Pinag-seatbelt ako ni Naya. Mom, your seatbelt. Am I doing a good job wearing my seatbelt? Na? Am I doing a good job wearing my seatbelt?
Yes.
I'm doing a good job. Jaden. Jaden love Boogie. Jaden love Boogie. Yung pinunta naming kamuting kahoy, wala. Ubos sa Green Fresh. Wala ring sitaw. Ayun ang mga pinunta namin. Ang mga nabila, hindi ba't kailangan. Ay, gastos pa more. Sabi ko kay daddy, punta ng Loblaws. Laksin ng ano? Nitong yung pickup. Nasa Loblaws kami. Sabi ko kay daddy, punta siya. Maiwan na lang kami dito.
I want it off, Mom.
Oh, let's just wait, daddy. He's just gonna check something. If not, we're gonna go home already. If not, we're just gonna go home. Okay? Approve?
Apple.
Alright, good job. Okay, watch ka na. Jaden, love ko. Jaden. Love. Aray, nagbabubbles. Aray, nagbabubbles. Bubbles ni Jaden. Ay, ganun ba? Opo. Ay, ganun. Daddy. Dan toothbrush na ya? Hi, Jaden. Nakauwi kami mga bandang 7:30 kanina. Na? Ano? 7:30, quarter to 8. Nagilamas na rin si Naya. Saka si Jaden. Oras na is 9:30 na. Bilis na ang oras. Nakakain naman na kami. Close the vlog. Thank you for watching. Please like. You say, what are you gonna say? Please like? Alisin mo yung nasa brush mo. Please like, subscribe, and share. Para mas marami pang makanood. See you in our next vlog, Naya. Bye. Say bye. Naya, bye. Bye, Jaden. Bye. Bye.